here we have to multiply the binomial. So this question is from exercise 9.4, algebraic expressions and identities. So in this question, simply whenever you have to multiply the binomials, so here we have 2x in the first term, so 2x will be multiplied with all the terms in the second one, and then here you can see you have a plus sign, so here the plus sign will come, so plus, then you will write the 5 and then you will write the second binomial, and now we will simply multiply it. So here you will see you will get first 2x will get multiplied with the first term, that is 4x, so 2x into 4x, then here you see which sign you have here, minus sign, so and here also here is a plus sign, nothing is there, that means here we have a plus sign, so plus minus will give you a minus, and that will be 2x into 3. So like this you have to multiply. Now the same way we will just multiply this 5 with the 4x and then with 3 as well. So 5 into 4x, and here again you see, so here you have a plus sign and a minus sign, and plus minus will give you a minus, and then it will be 5 into 3, and then you can multiply, so you will get numerical terms are 2 into 4, you will get 8 x square, x into x will give you x square, then here we have 2 into 3 will give you 6, and the minus sign will come as it is 6x, then here we have plus 5 into 4, 20x minus 15, and now you can simplify it, so you'll get 8x square plus 14, 20x minus 6x will give you 14x minus 15, so that's the answer. So like this you have to multiply the binomials. I'll take one more example to explain it more. So here I have one more. So the process is same. So if there are numbers in the fraction, no need to worry. So simple, you follow the same rule. So the term I have written here for the first bracket and the second one. So here we have 4 outside. So either you can multiply 4 with inside. So you get 4 a square minus 4 into 2 will give you 8 by 3 b square. Now same way what we will do, simply we will write the first term, that is 3a square by 4, and that will be multiplied with the another bracket, so 3 by 4 a square, and here we have 4a square minus 8 by 3b square, and then we have the second term 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Just like this you have to multiply like we did in the first one. So now you know this 3a square, 3 by 4 a square will be multiplied with this thing, and also it will be multiplied with this one. So we will write it as 3 by 4 a square into 4a square. Then I've told you for the sign, here we have a minus sign, just very have to care of that one. So here plus minus will give you a minus sign, so you'll get 3 by 4 a square and then 8 by 3 b square, and then the second bracket will multiply with 3b. So here again like this, 3b into 4 square and then minus 3b square into 8 by 3 b square, that will get. So if something you can cancel, you can cancel. So here you can see this we can cancel, with this you can cancel, here you get this, and here you can cancel out this thing as well. So after calculating this you will get, so the answer will be 3a square will become a to the power 4. Okay, so you know this thing, a square into a square we have, so whenever the base is same the power get added, so it will be 2 plus 2 4. So like this you have to do, and then we have the next one, it's minus sign, 3 into okay, 3 we have cancelled, so we have only 2 here as a numerical, and then we have a square b square, and then in the next one 3 into 4 is 12, b square a square you'll get, and the next one is b square d square, that will give you b to the power 4. Now you can simplify it a little bit more. So a square b square a square are just same only, because the product is commutative. So 3a to the power 4 will get, and 12 minus 2 will give you just 10 a square b square then minus b to the power 4. So that's the answer. So if you're confused with the middle term, so you can see these we have calculated and we got this one, 10a square b square. So like this you can solve these kind of questions. Now if we have to simplify, so in these kind of questions again you will do the same thing. So you have these two are the binomials, this and this, so you can just multiply the same way as I've told before. So x square, like this first term will get multiplied with this whole bracket, so you'll get x square into x plus 5, then the next one is minus 5, and that you have to take care of, like minus 5 is there, and here we have to multiply it with the x plus 5, and then the last term 25 will come as it is. So here x square into x will give you x square into x plus x square into 5. Then here the next term, here now you have a minus sign before the 5, so you have a minus sign here. So minus, here we have plus only, nothing is there, that means plus, and here also you have plus. So overall the sign will be minus plus minus, so you'll get minus 5x. Then here minus plus will also minus, so minus 5 into 5 you'll get, then you will write 25 simply. So there is no bracket with the 25, that means nothing else will be multiplied with that, so you will get just 25. Now you can simplify it, so you'll get x square into x cube, so power will get added, x power 2 plus 1 3, and then here we'll get 5x square minus 5x, x will come as it is, minus 25 plus 25 will give you, this thing will give you 0. So overall answer will be x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So that's the answer. So here you see one more question I have taken. So it's like 1.5x minus 4y. That is the first binomial. And then the second binomial is 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. And then we have a few terms. So the other terms are like minus 4 by 5x plus 12y. So these you can see, these two are not inside a bracket or something, so you don't have to calculate them, so you just keep it like that. And now we're going to multiply. So here we have minus 1.5x, so that you know it get multiplied with the bracket, second bracket. So I have written all that elements. Now in the first one we have the second is minus 4y, so that is going to be multiplied with the terms 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and the rest of the term will come as it is. That's our minus 4.5x plus 12y. And now we are just going to simplify that. So you can see here, so this get multiplied with this one, so 1.5x into 1.5x will get here, then plus you'll get 4y plus 3, 4y into 1.5x, then plus 1.5x into 3. So everything will get multiplied with 1.5x. Now we have the next term. So here minus 4y will get multiplied with all the terms. So here we have minus 4y into 1.5x. And now you see the minus is the game changer here. So you see minus here. So this sign nothing, that means it will be plus. Here you have plus sign, so it will be negative. So that you have to take care of. So here the sign will come negative. So it's minus 4y into 4y. And then again you see here a plus sign, so plus minus will give you minus. So it will be 4y into 3. And then the last two terms will write as it is. So like minus 4.x plus 12y, that's we have. And now we are going to simplify it further. So the whole answer will be 1.5. 1.5 will give you 2.25 x squared. Then here we have 4 into 1.5, that gives you 6yx. Then we have this, so that will be 4.5x, then minus, again we have 6yx, then minus 4y, 4y will give you 16y squared, minus 12y, minus 4.5x, and plus 12y will come as it is. Now we just simply will calculate it. So with the x term we have only x square, only one term, then yx, here also yx, so this we can cancel out. So and then with the 4x also we can cancel out this thing, And what else we have here? Y square and y is also getting cancelled. So finally we're left with 16 y's minus 16 y square. So that's the answer.